Three records have so far been broken on day 4 of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships at the National Stadium. We now join our reporter on location at the National Stadium, Denise Walters.
Thank you, Jordan. Now, Camperdown's Roshane Clark got the second record of the 2022 Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, winning the 400 meters hurdles boys class 1 in 49.50 seconds, erasing the old mark of 49.86 set by JC's Javier Brown in 2021.
Clark in the ascendancy now, looking good for the gold medal. Can Campbell fight back on behalf of Kingston College? No, he can't. Stunning performance by the gold medalist from Camperdown, Roshane Clark, 49.49 seconds. Wow, new record smashed. 49.50. Now the official time. New record, 49.50.
I train with Jailide, and Jailide is one of the best. And I learn a lot of things from him. Coming into champs and going beyond champs, like Ford is over champs now, going behind character. He teach me a lot, give me advice on to how we run the Ford, of course. Yeah.
Now, Daniel Wright of Excelsior took the boys class 2 in 52.83, winning ahead of Zachary Braham 52.83 and Jordan Mowat 53.31 from Calabar and KC respectively.
Excelsior's Daniel Wright straightens up in front, running a stout race at this stage. Kingston College and the Calabar representative Zachary Braham is closing fast, almost stumbled, but holding on for the gold medal. Daniel Wright, very, very good performance of Excelsior. Zachary Braham of Calabar came calling late, held on for the silver, the flash time, 52.84 seconds.
Heidel's Anika Makanov did one better than the silver she won in the 400 meters, capturing the girls' hurdles open in 57.68 seconds ahead of St. Jagos' Safia Hines 59.33 and Tony and Beckford of Edwin Allen 1:07 seconds.
Makanov, Fox is trying to finish late. Safia Hines is overtaken by Makanov. The Heidel captain comes away for a superb victory in the girls' 400 meters hurdles open final. The Heidel captain is the gold medalist, 57.63. The flash time, 57.63. When that is rounded up or down, which it has now, 57.68. New personal best.
Well, the preparation for this event has been really difficult, but I trust him and my team has a strong legacy for this event. So I just came out here, know that I prepared properly and give it my best.
KC's Gianni Henry mined gold in the boys' 2,000 meters steeplechase in 6 minutes 10.78 seconds. Over in the field, Sharia Enro of Edwin Allen won the girls' class 1 high jump with a leap of 1.76 meters. And after 21 events scored on the girls' side, Edwin Allen continues to lead on Friday's penultimate day with 166 points. They are followed by Heidel 126, St. Jacob 98, Homewood 72, and rounding out the top 5, Wolmer's girls, they're on 49 points. Kingston College continues to lead the boys' side after 4 days with 188 points, and this is after 20 events scored. They're followed by defending champions Jamaica College, 125.33 points, Calabar 75 points, St. Jago 67, then Edwin Allen 43 points. They close out the boys' top 5. And it's back to you in studio, Jordan.